Hello there. I am going to show you how to get into Platform so that you can complete your workout for today. So you're going to do your login, and when you get to the front page, if we have any announcements, we will announce them here. Here's your information. I am in period 1, Mr. B's class. So there's a couple ways you can get going. You can click Start Workout. And when you click Start Workout, you're going to need to pick this program. So the one that says choose this one. You click that, and then you can see a bunch of workouts. The only ones that you guys need to be aware of are the ones that you're supposed to be completing today. So if today's Thursday, let's see, what day would it be? The 27th, then you're going to go Thursday, Friday, Fitness Challenge and Finisher. You're going to click this. Now, a reminder that when you come into the workout, once you click Start Workout, it is managing your time. So you need to make sure that you click that so that we know you went through the workout. For Thursday, Friday, essentially you're reading over the workout and kind of how it works here on Platform. You're going to click Done, and then you will complete the fitness challenge, which is a 1 minute max rep of push-ups. So you're going to do as many push-ups as you can within a minute. And if you want to do modified push-ups, which means you're on your knees, then you can do so. Make sure you log your test result as well. And then you will be completed. So at the end, you need to hit done so that your time is stopped. So that's how you get to the workout from there. I believe if you go to dashboard, you can go to training. Actually, so you can go to training if you want to, and it just shows the days you log in, if you attended, if you're missing. We won't be doing any of these. You can see that my group is Mr. B's. If you need to change your period because you accidentally logged into the wrong period, if you need to go to my third period, you can hit join group, and then you can leave Mr. B's group, as you can see right there. So essentially that's how you log on to Platform and complete your workout. Please let Mr. B or myself know if you have any questions. Have a great day.